to make a few changes to my website, and I was like, you know what? Let's come online on the live stream and talk to the people about the difference between a landing page and a website. Okay. Now, I'm one of those people that I actually prefer to have a landing page. A landing page is very clean, it's simple, you don't have too much going on, and it's easy for the people to read. Now, a website, you have stuff all over the place, different pages, different tabs, a lot of information, some words, and it can be a lot. Now, don't get me wrong. On a website, as I mentioned, there can be a lot of words. People will put a lot of words on a landing page too. But with the two, I would say it's best to have a landing page because your mind is not like all over the place trying to do these different pages and make everything make sense. Like you have to think about what. Oh, I feel like I had to sneeze. Well, I do. Oh, let's see. Okay, I know it's not good to hold your sneezes in, but please, I'd rather keep it in than just out everywhere. Okay, but anywho, with a landing page, you have to remember that humans nowadays, their attention span is just, it's not what it used to be. They don't like a lot of information. They need it simple, straight to the point, and get exactly what they need, right? However, a lot of people have this theory that when you have a website, it shows good for testimonials, reviews, and things like that. And me personally, I'm able to do everything that I can do on a website pretty much on a landing page. Now, my landing page is not really a landing page. It's kind of like a link in bio type of situation. But if I wanted to have a website, I could. But I do a link in bio because it's easier to track the analytics. Like I want to see who's coming to my link in bio. What social links are they clicking on? And I also want to know, like, when it comes to my link in bio, what buttons are they clicking on? How is it converting? What are they getting? What are they not getting? I love to see the customer's journey. Now, on a website, I'm not saying that you can't do that, but it's not as easy as it would be if you were using like a landing page slash link in bio type of thing, right? Now, you can do a heat map on a website, but you have to choose what's best for you. For example, when I was working with the authors, I feel that a website is really good for them because they can still have their home page with all the information about them. Then they can have a different page for their products and services. And then another page can be their blogs because that's very important for authors, right? And then they do what they do. However, when it comes to the content creators, they need a good one, two, a good landing page. That's it. Now, when it comes to the entrepreneurs, they may have a little bit of mix of both. And now that I'm thinking about it, that's what I have. I have a little bit mix of both because I am on the service side, but I'm on the product side. But I like my emails and I like my YouTube channel, right? So this video was very simple, just to be mindful. Understand that just because people used to have websites back then does not mean that you have to do that now. It's okay if you have a landing page now. It's okay if you use a link in bio. But my thing is, let me add this disclaimer and I'll end the video because I got an event I need to go to. Be sure that once your website is built, no matter if you build it or you have somebody else build it, even though I recommend that you build it yourself, that way if you need to make any changes or anything needs to be done, you know how to do it. Make sure that everything is working properly. A lot of people will have these websites and their social links don't work, buttons don't work. They have a 404 page. It Make sure it works and organize things in a very neat way. That way it's easy and visible for people to get to. Like if they gotta click around and go on your page, y'all, they are clicking out. They're gonna be like, this is too much. I'm overstimulated. I got ADHD. I'm neurodivergent. I'm overwhelmed. Like they're gonna be thinking a whole bunch of stuff, and that's not what you want them to have to think. You want them to get what they need and bounce out. All right. So take that into consideration. I did so good during this video without fumbling with my words, and now here I go. But anywho, y'all, I gotta go. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below so that you're notified every time your girl Leah, posts a video. So, well, when I do these live streams. But anywho, my name is Leah. I'm the face behind Content by Leah, and I'll see you in the next live stream.